So once we write the code for editing the user, so now we will be writing the code for deleting the user. So whenever we click on this delete button, so this should delete this specific data and reload this other remaining user. So for that, just go to the VS Code and just go inside this home.js from this pages, and at just below this load user, so we will be writing the one function for deleting the user. So just type const and just type delete user. So just type delete user, and now we just use async and pass the id inside here in parameter. And let me just create one arrow function inside here and just type await. And now we will be using the AXIOS dot delete for deleting the data, and inside here, so we just need to pass the URL. So for that, just type backtick here and just type http and just type / localhost and just type 8080/users/ and we just need to pass the id. So for that, we just have to use the use params hook. So for that, just go here and just type const and just type id and just type use params and just keep this open bracket and just close this bracket, and you need to make sure to import this from React Router DOM. So once you do that, so you just need to put the id here. So for that, just type dollar and just type id. So once you do that, so once the user is deleted, so we just need to make sure to load the data as well. So for that, we will be using this function load users. So just type that, and once you do that, so we just need to configure in the button as well. So for that, just go down here, so you can see the delete button. So here, so whenever we click on this delete button, so this should delete the data. So for that, we just have to call the delete user function. So for that, just type on click. So just type on click event here and just keep the arrow function and just call the delete user. So just type delete user, and inside here just type user.id and save this application. And if I just go to this application and just click on this delete button, so you can see the user has been deleted successfully, and also the remaining data are displayed successfully without reloading the application. So again, just click on this delete, so you can see, so this has successfully deleted. So this is how you implement the delete functionality in frontend.